Hey guys, so first up, I want to thank all of you who are watching my videos and liking them and commenting on them and sharing them and of course subscribing to the channel. The ride videos from 2016 they've received such a lovely response from all of you, and the numbers might not be that big by YouTube standards, but they mean a lot to me and I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys keep watching and you keep sharing and you keep commenting and you keep, of course, subscribing to the channel. Last year I just shot a lot of footage while I was traveling, and then I eventually sat down and I worked on it and I edited it and I put a lot of effort into it and eventually got those videos up, and I really enjoyed the process. So this year I want to make YouTube and video a bigger part of my journey. And a lot of you have also been asking me to make more videos and talk about other things, more details, interesting things basically, which is what I really want to do as well. So since that aligns, I thought I'll get started. For this year, I do plan to travel on the bike. I intend to go to the Northeast. I still don't know when I'll leave, I don't know what route I'll take, how I'll go. I tend to figure these things out very late and very vaguely, so it's okay. I mean, I'm comfortable that way. I travel alone most of the time, so it's possible for me to just take things as they come and stay fluid. So rather than wait until I hit the road and then figure out and share my travel with you guys, I thought that I would start right at the stage of preparation, when I'm preparing for my travel. So while I may not have details of where I'm going and what I'm doing, I think that makes it all the more necessary to sort of be prepared for anything and everything. And a place that I always like to start is on the bike, because until the bike is feeling good, nothing else. My brain just doesn't go to anything else. So I've spent the last couple of weeks working on the bike, trying to get her into shape to go again. And I'm almost there. Almost. So what I'm going to do on this video is sort of show you guys what I've been doing with the bike and how I've been getting it ready for this trip. And you can never be prepared enough, but it's always good to start somewhere. I usually like to work on the bike myself, but that's not always possible. There are some things that I don't know how to do or I don't have the tools to do. So I go to the guys who do know, or who are supposed to know what to do at least. And here is the loot from the time spent with the mechanics over the past few weeks. That's a chain there. This is all the stuff that I got done at the service center. New breather pipe, because this one is cracked quite badly. You can see that? Yeah. This mirror was a noise-making fellow. Replaced clutch cable. It isn't really gone, but it was weak. So I've changed this and I'm going to keep this as a spare. Fuel runoff hose. I didn't ask them to change it, but they changed it. Ball bearings in my front wheel. This is all part of that. Air filter, a new fuel hose, because this too cracked, if you can see that. Rear brake pads have been changed. One of my chain sprockets, the smallest sprocket, had to be changed. More hoses. This hose is a part of that hose. It was so badly broken that it's just cut. And then I had to get a new chain. That's a bit of a disaster, but they definitely helped, so don't forget to wear these when you're doing something like this. Touches left to be done. Some reflective stickers at the back of the bike, and I got these leather handlebar grips, which are really nice, so those will go onto the bike as well. Lovely. There were a few other things that I got done on the bike. Spark plugs were cleaned, and the spark plug adapter, of course. Ignition coil was changed because the previous one had burnt out, and the bike was not running straight. It had a pull to the right, so the wheels were trued so that would get sorted out, and that's about it. The bike is in good shape now. I'm going to take it for a ride sometime later this week. You would have seen some of the extra fittings that I have on the bike, the carrier, the lights, the wrap and stuff like that. I've not focused on them in this video. I will do that in my next video where I talk about what I have, why I have it, where I got it. So yeah, that's a wrap on this video then.